Orchids. In today's video, we're gonna do two things. We're gonna do an unboxing of a new orchid that we received from who?
Yoshi at Orchids by the Lake.
All right. And we're also gonna show. We had shown maybe like 2 months ago some blooms on two of our sequential Phalaenopsis. But we're gonna show the unboxing first, then we're gonna show you the two Phalaenopsis.
Yeah. As usual, I misplaced my little knife cutter. Box cutter.
So when you find it, you're not looking for it. It's okay. I got it. All right, here we go. Here's the letter from Yoshi.
And this is Phalaenopsis violaceus cerulean indigo.
Okay.
They're monopodial, meaning that they grow as the usual other Phalaenopsis. They grow up, straight up. And this is a sequential bloomer as well.
Cool. Nice. Great packing as always, Yoshi. Thank you so much. Here you go, babe. Oh, I love it already.
Yeah. She has beautiful shiny leaves. It's kind of small still, but hopefully she'll start blooming soon.
Yeah, I'm going to show it close up.
Her blooms are purple, and they're very fragrant, really good.
All right. Put that right in the middle. Okay, so that's going to be a gift for someone that we know, a friend of ours.
Yeah, and I'll definitely repot it.
All right. So the first one we're going to show is the Phalaenopsis Sapphire Gala.
Yeah, it needed a repotting, so I did that 2 days ago.
There's a
And
new
she opened
bloom
up.
for us.
And she's growing a new spike as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
All
and remember,
right.
guys, on these orchids, you do not cut the spikes unless the
see
spike dries out or
Let me
gets
see
yellow or
if I
something.
can show the viewers. It's right there. Neat. All right.
I'm excited. Imagine one day you start spiking everywhere.
Cool. So we put that there.
Yes.
Then the other Phalaenopsis is the Forma Imperatrix Purple.
Traspus.
Oh, sorry. I said I read it upside down.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And she's spiking from a spike too, so we have more spikes.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
And they're all beautiful. This one doesn't have a smell. I don't detect no fragrance. I don't think this one has any fragrance. Yeah.
All right. So these are the three Phals. One new one. As if it's a gift for someone, and our two sequential Phals, which just continue blooming for us, and they're great.
Yep.
And that's why we love orchids. And I hope that you love orchids.
Yeah. Make sure you smell them too.
All right, that's it. So thank you as always for watching. Bye.
Bye.